this one what I do now it be the most strongest sign of a very rich person. Yes, you dey see food eat every day, then why are you disturbing yourself? You no get house, so what? You never get government work, then so what? You never marry, then so what? When the time reach, you go do am. No worry yourself. The only thing be say, keep working towards it. Yes, anything you want achieve, keep working towards it, and you go see the result. You understand? Any way you be now, everywhere good.